What's up, guys? Welcome back to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. Welcome back to the channel. If you like what you see, like it, love it, comment, subscribe. We're gonna take the car up to a local car meet inside of an actual parking deck. So I'm hoping we get some, maybe like some Tokyo Drift style stuff. Not actually drifting, but you know, just the cool scene that was in that movie and whatnot. So we're gonna load the car up, or not load the car up, start the car up and take it up to this place in Marietta. So catch when we get on the road. Gang, oh gang, my bad.
Like a car gang. Yeah. We're all rolling up. Rolling up with a college, bro. Oh, look at all of them.
That's pretty neat.
All these people are here for you.
No, I wish.
They are. Meet and greet.
Alright, well, we're here. We're gonna go check out some cars and check out this little bit of, it's like a Tokyo Drift style meeting, a parking deck. There's cars coming in left and right.
Wow.
A whole bunch of two-stepping. You know how it is these days. So many sounds going on right now. Train horns, two-step, big tank, all kinds of crazy stuff. Alright, well, Carmen's getting shut down. There's people smoking weed, so we're gonna hit the road and get back to the house. But thanks for following along. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, love, do whatever those YouTubers do. We're gonna get out of here. Y'all know the message. If you ain't on the brake, your ass better be on the skinny pedal.